Understanding, have a loose tongue. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard before. Have a loose tongue. Understanding such expressions can really spice up your English conversations and make your language skills more dynamic. Let's get started and uncover the meaning behind this intriguing phrase. When someone says that a person has a loose tongue, they mean that the person tends to speak without thinking much about the consequences. It's often associated with sharing secrets, speaking carelessly, or saying things that might be better left unsaid. This phrase can have a negative connotation, as it suggests a lack of discretion or the inability to keep confidential information to oneself. To give you a better understanding, let's look at a few examples. 1. Be careful what you tell him. He's known to have a loose tongue. This suggests being cautious about sharing sensitive information with someone who may unintentionally spread it. 2. I shouldn't have mentioned our plans to her. I forgot she has a loose tongue. Here, the speaker regrets sharing information due to the other person's habit of talking too much or too freely. 3. Our team needs to be cautious. We can't afford to have anyone with a loose tongue. This implies the importance of discretion within a group, especially in professional or sensitive contexts. Understanding when and how to use this phrase is key to sounding natural and fluent in English. Here are some tips. Use it in informal settings. This phrase is more suited to casual conversations among friends or acquaintances. Be aware of the context. Since it can be seen as critical or negative, make sure it's appropriate for the situation and won't offend anyone. Combine it with advice or caution. It's often used when advising someone to be careful about what they say or whom they say it to. That wraps up our exploration of the phrase, have a loose tongue. Remember, part of mastering a language is understanding the nuances of its idioms and expressions. We hope this video has shed some light on this particular phrase and added an interesting element to your English learning journey. Keep practicing. And don't hesitate to use have a loose tongue in your conversations when appropriate. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.